Good morning. Today is Tuesday, August 8th. The time right now in Singapore is 10:51 in the morning. Overnight, we can see that U.S. equity markets continue to rebound ahead of Thursday's CPI number release. Now, this is despite the credit rating downgrade by Fitch credit agency last week, and the market is holding up pretty well considering the fact that that was a major announcement by another credit agency 12 years after S&P Global actually downgraded US credit rating from AAA to AA+. So right now, the market doesn't seem to be affected by this event, but going forward, I think the CPI numbers may actually cause a little bit of a mayhem, because I suspect the number is going to be looking not so good, because there is evidence to suggest that on a year-on-year basis, the CPI numbers may actually be a lot uglier than what we expect. So this could be the background in which I think the market may be seeing something a little bit more dramatic going forward into the CPI numbers. Now, over here, you can see that this is the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures contract. The NASDAQ itself has actually peaked at 16,062.5, and that was back in the third week of July, specifically July 19, and the low traded so far is at 15,334.5. Now, this is very interesting because on a technical basis, we see a equality pullback back down to 15,334.5. That could set a stage for two potential outcomes. Either the market stabilize here and then started to rebound to challenge the high, or the market could actually continue to downgrade lower. And I suspect there's going to be a rollover to the downside. So I'm keeping my target for a time being at 15,000 to as low as 14,850. So do watch out for the possibility of an extended decline, although it is currently in a very corrective manner. So let's see how this pan out as we march into the CPI numbers on Thursday. This is all I have for you, and I'll come back to you tomorrow with another update. Bye-bye. Take care.